Hi guys, how are you? Don from Don's Empty Kitchen. I am Don the Anti-Chef Wellborn, and today I am not cooking. So I just wanted to show you guys this. I don't know what I'd call this video. A budget, a wish list. I have no idea. I'm just showing you guys what I do with the extra money I get from the CRA every 3 months and every every month on top of my ODSP check. Across Canada, whether you're on disability, old age, or works, um, which is basically welfare. But anyway, if you're on any kind of government assistance, uh, and you do your taxes, um, you'll get money back like once a month for the Trillium, and once every 3 months for the GST and the climate action incentive payment. So I mean that's relatively new, and I don't know if it's going to continue. I really hope it does, but we will see. Uh, but I want to show you these for my personal self. Now, I'm not here to tell you guys how to spend your money. I wouldn't do that. You know, to each his own. I'm just showing you what I do to like pinch a penny when I can here and there. So this is my GST. I already got this, and this went to the same way this one's going to go. That's my GST, and this is the one that's coming up on Friday. Is the climate action incentive payment. So that's 93.25. So let's go see if we can spend that like properly. Well, not I don't want to say properly, but uh, eh, so that it benefits me more than getting takeout or going out for a couple of beers with the boys. Okay. So let's see about that. So here, this is Instacart. Because I'm a shut-in and I don't go out in the wintertime whatsoever, I kind of have to use this service. And yeah, so the way Instacart works is they shop for you, they deliver it right to your door, and they charge X amount of dollars to do this. So I always have to put like $30 away because they also whatever your amount comes to, they also take out like $10 or $20 on top of the amount, and just to make sure you can cover what you need and everything, and then they put it back in your bank account the next day. So these are my lists, and whenever I get bored or start feeling like I have no money, I go in and I make a new list, and I got these on Instacart. I got them up here on Walmart. I got a few at Amazon. So I just start making lists, and it makes me feel better. So I have one called the 3 month list for GST. Let's go into that one because this is the 3 month list, and it works for the benefit as well. Things I buy once every 3 months. So this month I don't need flour this time. I'm really good with flour. I do need yeast, so I'm going to add 2 of these. Um, why did that come up? Okay, goodbye. I do need coffee, so I'm going to add 1 of those. No, not 2, 1. Okay, stop coming up here. Okay, I don't need toilet paper. I got lots. But let's see what else. First of all, light bulbs, because For some reason, my light bulb blue, do they have the kind that, no, it doesn't look like it. Mine's the twisty type, and I was looking to replace it with the same thing, but I don't think I'm going to find those at the dollar store. Yeah. So, I think the highest one they sell is a 60 watt. Oh no, there's 100 watt. But they don't have prices on them for some reason. I don't know why, but usually they do. There we go. Yeah. Oh, they don't really carry those. Okay. They have 60 watt, 40 watt, 60 watt. Hmm. Yeah, the request for, which means they don't have them in stock, so I'm not going to bother. All right, we'll get two of these. Just cheap light bulb. Um, get two of those. I like to go over here and see where I am at all times. No, not. No, I don't want those from Loblaws. No, 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 no. No, no. Remove, remove. Well, that was a Loblaws list that I went into. Okay. Okay, let's go back in the list for a second. I guess that's Loblaws? I guess so. No, I need a dollar store list because I got my Loblaws earlier. So, and this I know is dollar store. So I'll go with this one. What's in my cart so far? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yes, I need two of those. Yeah, I need another one of those. Yes, I need one of those. No, I'm good for cleaning supplies. I need one of those, and I need one of those. Okay, let's add 10 of these and see where we're at right now. And we're at 43, so I gotta save 30 bucks. So, so I can go 20 bucks. So, alright, well, I want 15 of these. So we're at 56.55. We got $4 to get to 60. So let's do that. So let's see what their deals are. Nothing. I bought one of these and the guy didn't show up with it. Okay, let's do that. Mortar and pestle. Yeah. So we're at 60.80, which is perfect. So just for the fun of it, let's go see. Let's go see if this comes. See, I am disabled. I cannot meet driver at the front of my building. I need it brought to my door, please. I've got that on every place that delivers. Walmart, uh, Amazon, Instacart, every place that delivers to my house. And the worst one is Walmart. Why? Because they use canned power. Now, don't get me started on canned power because I will get sued with what I have to say about that particular delivery system. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys that. So, 60 service fee, blah 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 blah, 74.99. So that leaves them, ooh, $75. That leaves them $15. I don't know if I'll get this or not. I might have to put something back because I don't think $15 is going to be enough. Because right after this, I'm not going to continue from here. But right after this, it asks you to give the driver a tip, which I usually give $5. And then if he gets it to my house in one piece and nothing's missing, he'll get another $5 tip. When the how did we do thing come up. So yeah, so yeah, it's getting 304 right now, but he'll get a good tip if everything shows up. Because I do believe in tipping people because they work for it, they do the work too. So join Instacart. Well, I am an Instacart member, so you should have that already on there. I don't know why it's not, but anyway. So that's my Instacart list, and as you can see, with what I need to put aside, um, that's pretty much everything I'm gonna get. Yeah. So let's take a look at my list here. So we got light bulbs, we got scrubber pads, some kitchen stuff that I need, some more lunch meat because I make meals out of that, and I'm running out of ham and lunch meat, so I'll get 10 of those. Soft drinks, that's my guilty pleasure, so. And another mortar and pestle. Usually I try and add a spice or two, and I really need more of these, but I can't afford it right now. So, and then once the list is made, I'll go through and say, okay, I changed this for that, and that for this, and this for that. But for now, this looks like something that I'm good with. A lot of it is, like unnecessary, but you gotta have spending money for yourself too, whether it's going out with the boys or going to a bar or going on a date or something. For me, I cook, I do videos, and I occasionally have friends over for dinner. That's my life. That's what I do. Um, but I'm not saying that for everybody, and I'm not saying that for you guys. You guys do whatever makes you happy. So, um, this was just a quick little video. I don't even know what I'd call this. Just to show you, things you can do to keep your spirits up. To plan for the little bits of money you get, and and like they say, and it's so true. failure to plan is planning to fail, and it's absolutely true. So there's my plan for Friday. Let's see if I get through with it. Okay. Let's make sure that we don't order Aladdin's fried chicken because it's so good, and we actually get what we need. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is Don the Anti-Chef saying you have value, you have worth, and you deserve a place in this world. So find that one thing that's going to get you out of bed every morning and stick to it. And don't let anybody tell you different. I'm pulling for you. I'm there for you. Take care. Have a good one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.